I don't know what I'm gonna itch this up. I don't think it's appropriate for me to come on cry like somebody molesting me. But my little just wake up. I haven't even brushed my teeth. I've been quite frank with you, like I've been getting up from out of my sleep. And I just want to say, yo, big up God. And I see me I cry. I had even lash. I had lash on my eyes. I'm gonna take it out because me bad. Listen, but that's why I say pick up God. Because I know if I thought we could reach this far without him. And you see everybody, it's the AC making this okay. I'm so wild right now. But yeah, but that's why I say pick up God, you know, because if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't reach this far. One, two, you see everybody will take the time out. I don't even know what I want my heart. It warms my heart, bro, like every year. Oh God. Yo, today just means so much to me in the word is weird. I don't understand. Because so many persons don't get to see them 20th birthday. And I consider myself so blessed, like, would not even understand. And, you know, oh God. Emotionally, oh God, listen. I'm supposed to be happy. I am so happy. It's not even funny. Like, I'm getting even red. But, guys, but that's why I said, big up, like, everybody will take them time out for doing this, big up, no. I said, everybody who are going to come with me today, big up, no. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share, because I don't know why I'm tripping right now. But, I was in a video yesterday. I'm gonna come back and explain everything somehow, somewhere in this video. But yeah, I'm gonna just cut this. You know, I'm gonna be serious now. I'm really happy because I'm doing something that was traditional for me when I was little. I used to always go to Dunty Road with my mama growing up. Oh God. And whoa. So this year, I feel like I should repeat it. Oh God. Okay. So yeah, and I feel like my family just need a day to chill. So only good vibes, family and friends, and I'm so excited. It just put back memories. Oh God. Hey, wanna go watch the next slide? Wanna go watch? Hey, wanna go watch something? I can't. I don't know. It's a pipe. I'll just go and watch the next video. Stay tuned the floor. So I'm happy. I can't stop crying. This appropriate. Am I drunk? Hey. To the next video.
Cause we're keeping it real with DAINELLE. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with the friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright. Cause we're keeping it real with DAINELLE. Keep it real with DAINELLE.
We're gonna go now in the car, and oh yeah, this is like a cute little fit. We'll make it kind of big, so tell them hi. Tell them so we're ready and we're out. This is my cute little fit. Yeah, and we're out. But take a blush because my touch up ball. At this rate, people, we're packing the car. And oops. I must say, oh, what is this now? Yeah, get what it is. It's the 2022. Say hi to the Say hi, happy birthday, DAINELLE. Hi, happy birthday, DAINELLE. Okay, cool. Say hi, happy birthday, DAINELLE.
Hi, happy birthday, DAINELLE.
Happy birthday, DAINELLE. Say happy birthday, DAINELLE. Come here, remember phone. Say happy birthday. Alright, cool. Let me say it. I'm not 7-seater. This look like 5-seater. Let me see. Come here, man. I will for myself. I wear this. Get up, done you. Oh, aquí gonna weekend. But yeah, I think yeah, that means I tell you go some of the food. You can pull it and put it up and put it on the food. Wait, no, I gotta cover it. Happy birthday, Dainelle. Give potential. Don't pull this to me. Don't pull this to me. I don't want some background too much. People can come find me at night. Like a Freddy Krueger. Like a Freddy Krueger.
She drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. Oh. I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it.
Some electric chicken. I go to Jamaica and have a trip without the chicken. But me, I go the one that got TikTok right here. So let me show you. Mama, don't have a belly. But yeah, I'm gonna just go swap my TikTok like this. In the meantime. But yeah, I feel like a tourist in the same place. Not why I show them the part there. Let's not say we show them up. We yeah, just for it. I'm sure. Very anti guys. But here we are. We're soon jump out. See how people in there. And so the sun up there, so we're walking. This is part of the crew. Some is here and some is at the back still paying. Hello. I mean, you did it, not me. Say hi. Hi. Up with heroes. Up Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah. This is how the place looking, guys. It's really beautiful. Like the scenery. Murder. The scenery is beautiful. This is the little park where the kitties are going. This is the kitties section, guys. This looks so nice. Go in there, Khalil. Don't drown now. That's a nice one. I could slide it. Look like it's nice, though. It's nice. It looks like it's nice. It's so much excited. Look how much it's excited. Can you have anything else? Yeah, wow. Watch it all. Kiss it up. Oh, that's nice. water smell full of chlorine, full of bleach. Now what the fuck? Makes sense, dude. Nice water. I love my food in my body.
Let's go.
Splash! Where are we, Daddy? So when he mess up, John himself, then run guy mother. I want to call him up.
Because I'm on the shot. The shot.
Whoa! Nice. Now, people made a
We're living our best life. Where we at, kid? Where we at?
outside. It's a part me do, me not lie. Whoa. It's nice, man, but I look more on do sports. Go on, baby. Hello. Yeah, make it.
Say nice? Nice. Nice. Wanna enjoy yourself? You enjoy yourself? Wanna enjoy yourself?
Me love this.
You enjoy yourself, Joel? You enjoy yourself?
Yeah, go back again.
And this is our way down to the beach.
See my lovelies.
Beautiful with the beautiful people. Say hi.
Just let it go. So in love. Give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. So tonight, I'll do it every way. We will not get till the morning light. We like to party.
Anyways, I got to know I don't walk the walls of Jericho. Cause this is not busting. This is not it. At this point. Man, I hurt me too. But I'm gonna see you guys when we don't walk the walls of Jericho. Cause at this point, that's not it. But it's not it. But yeah, the pass over there, so hopefully we can reach there. I'm just excited. Did you want to see all these people? Those are my people. I don't know those places are about, but the majority at the front is worse. Lots of people, because guess what? I'm happy. And if you don't like the video yet, somebody then you not support me. Oh, me? You're talking YouTube. No. I feel like my siblings are about. Actually, my chimbo in temp, watch it. What's my foot on it? My foot at chimbo. My foot at I chimbo, me a chimbo. Because you don't know, so I put them side long time. But yeah, mama son. Yeah. Joel, Adi. This is the Lego store.
could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time.
What's that? I know. There? I know we can't reach the beach. But we are reaching now. Cuckoo! Are you tight? You're tired though? Your foot down! Oh, your foot feel my cousin. Alright. At this point, I'm trembling while walking.
Swag sauce, she drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, she drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, she drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, she drippin' swag do. Oh.
We have reached Evans Gate. Mercy. I'm gonna stop trim because this is a beautiful beach, people. And this is beautiful. Out there. If we have to choose them, we're gonna fling it out because I'm ready for going to the water. Hello? The man not waiting. I'm not telling you, there's nowhere for us to start to listen. We're gonna go to the deck. And this cardboard wall people. Let me know when I come in. Oh my god. But this is I'm gonna see you guys when I come back with something else, guys. This is nice. First time seeing you. Look who it is.
Happy birthday, Dainelle. Pick up yourself and keep it real with Dainelle.
Period. Our mother pays to some script for her. But I don't know about you not seen it at all. Let me see you. Thank you. As I got to be the worst blogger ever, but we out here, we're living our best life in the waters, and all my nails are flipping off. Like, comes to make her. I guess all the Jamaican audience for you. My fingernails were gone. I haven't started to enjoy the water because I haven't gotten the chance to enjoy the water until right now because there's some phone is here. Picture me and take a video. Why would you do that? I don't even know you, bro. People say man welcome and show something about it. I'll insert the video right now. Excuse me, are you the culprit that flings sun on me? We're going to try the falls. We're going to go in the falls. Plus we like sana everybody knows. What is I'm going there 1 second here? Ice water this? Nobody can tell me the ice water. Woo! This is the ice water. This is the ice water. Jesus Christ! Why? Ice water this. Anila, are you going to try the water or not? Eh? You can use them to mount or something? Yeah, I use them to about 4 pieces of your back. One is a big piece of your back.
Come down over there, I tell you, like a style.
What's in our video? Come guys, go in there. Oh, video this.
Huh? Spread it out, live and spread it out.
People, can you believe a choker? I don't business. We're going to the falls, that's a big one, and unfortunately, you guys can't come with us. We're gonna go up on the top part. I bottom part with it nice. Then they're gonna can't see me. We're going on the falls, the big one, and you can't come with us. So this is our departure. This is our goodbye. Tell them bye-bye. Yes, not Arthur. Madam is me. Hey guys, so this is days later. I did close off the video the same day, like to say I came back. My energy was off. I was so tired. I was drained. Everybody knows if you go beach or anything like that, you can come back full load drained. I didn't even wake up early the next day. I wake up like to 12 after 12 thereabout. But I just want to say a big shout out to everybody who wished me happy birthday. I was planning to like put everyone's birthday wishes at the end, but it's not gonna be possible. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna get some collage or some pictures I took of me and everybody, and just put a little collage, a little montage for you guys at the end. And I hope you guys did like this vlog. Honestly, it was pure happiness. I did enjoy myself. I was happy that everyone came and they enjoyed my birthday with me. It was like literally 3 cars of us, and I never expected that, but you know, due diligence go to everybody. Like, I am so happy. I genuinely experienced the best birthday in a while. It's been a minute since I've actually went out to celebrate my birthday. Some persons say I'm boring, but I think I'm just matured to the point where I'm like more humble, and if I don't have it at this time, I'm just going to do a simple thing, and I like to live in the moment. So that's me. But your girl is 20 and she's out, and go and go watch the hunter, watch the monster, watch. Periods.
Jealous, the city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous, the city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous, the city is my palace. The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. She won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl them, about the girl them, about the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my the city is my palace. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. But she won't waste no time. I want she, and they love them some me. I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the. She gon' pick up on the first ring.